Hi all, welcome to Om Shri Tara. We all know Shivratri is coming up. Shiva is, there is no form to him. There is no beginning, there is no end, right? So Shiva is also a deity or a force of energy that grants boon and wishes right away, and he is the god where he gets pleased easily. So not much of demand for him, and he is also a god who will take you to moksha. This Shivaratri you can celebrate with this special Banalingam. This Banalingam is the original stone that you can find in Narmada river beds, and this is a raw stone, and this there is a mix of jasper in this stone, and this is a polished one. This also has a jasper, the mix of jasper. So these two forms of Banalingam, and there is a special effect when you pray this Banalingam because there is no form to it, which also represents Shiva. Shiva, mostly in South India, is mostly worshipped in the linga form. And this egg shaped lingam is called Bana Lingam, which gives more spiritual energy, spiritual growth. You can gift this, especially when you gift Bana Lingam to your dear ones who wants to start their spiritual journey. This will be a great gift for this Shivratri. Also, to add to it, on Shivratri, we have a tendency to do Abhishekam. Abhishekam is a pouring of water or bathing, giving a bath to the Shivalingam or statues that you have at home. So usually in temples and other places they use shank, which is conch. They use that to pour water or milk onto the lingam. And this egg kauri, you might have seen it before in the previous videos, can be used as a equipment to do the abhishekam to this Banalingam. Also, to add to it, this kyanite stone, which exactly looks like a eye, third eye that can go here. So either you can keep it here or keep it on top of your head. What it does is it aligns your chakras. This is also called the stone of alignment. So what happens, as we all know, that there are so many chakras in our body, and we predominantly see seven major chakras. These seven major chakras has to be aligned in a straight line, and it has to spin around or rotate. So each chakra is attached to certain characteristics and certain body parts. Say, for example, if you talk about throat chakra, Vishuddhi chakra, this is associated with thyroid gland, tonsils, and this also associates with the way you talk, your speech. If you want to deliver a dialogue, if you want to give a speech to a big audience, also knowledge, those who are into oratory skills or singers, this chakra helps. So each chakra has a body part that is attached to it, that is connected to it, and some characteristics that is attached to it. When these seven chakras are aligned or it's in the place and it does the spinning work, so particular chakra will help us get better. So also chakra alignment is very important for you to lead a healthy and happy and peaceful life. So this kainet can help you with this. So this also, especially this kainet, is related to throat and adrenal glands and enhances communication. So along with this, this Shivratri, you can make use of this kyanite and this Banalingam. So this kyanite also shields us from negative energy. So when you're in a meditation or if you're performing a puja, you don't want any distraction. Or a lot of people have told me whenever they sit for puja, whenever they sit for, and if something comes and distracts them, they're not able to sit in the puja. This stone can help you get rid of the negative energies that are stopping you from getting into your puja or spiritual journey. So these three products can help you enhance this Shivaratri and take you to a higher spiritual level on this Shivaratri.